Hello guys, this is just a short video to show you how you can fix this fringe, whether short or long one, without any stress. Very easy step. So first of all, this is what you have to do. Hem your downside like I just did now. I have already hemmed it. Okay, when you're done hemming it, so you're now normally to sew this thing, this side is very hard. Sometimes when you're sewing it, if you're not careful, it will keep bringing out the fringe like this. If you're not sewing on the edge, if you mistakenly go inside like this, it will spoil the head. So what you are going to do to avoid that, and it's very easy, is you first of all hem this side, hem it very well like I've already done this way. Then you place your fringe on the tip like this. When you place it, now you are going to get a bias with the same color, either with the same color with your fringe, or you can use black and go with any color. Okay, now I'm using purple, so I'm using the same color with my fringe. So you're going to place your bias on top of the fringe like this. You place it this way. Like, this method is very easy. It's very easy. So you're going to sew on top of the bias. Okay, you sew on this edge, you also sew on this edge to hold it very well, and that is it. This is very easy this way, very easy. Okay, you just sew on your bias like this, and your fringe will be like this. Or if you don't have bias, you can use lining. If you have color of lining like this, you can use it, or you can use your material. You can go ahead and cut out a piece like this and fold this like a bias, then iron it. It will look like bias. When you cut out like 1 inch, you fold it twice inside, you iron it. Okay, the same material, you now place it on top and sew it, and nobody will know. It will be very neat. But for me now, to fix my own now, I'm going to use this same trimming that I used here. That's what I want to use. Okay, so I'm going to just put my fringe like this, and I'll go over to the sewing machine and I'll place my trimming like this on top of it. So you can get a trimming like this too if you want to make it more fancy. I'll put my trimming on the top of the fringe like this, and I'm going to sew it round, and that is very easy and no stress at all. So guys, this is the practical part of what I just illustrated. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. Just watch closely and see what I'm doing. This is very easy if you follow this step. I'm placing the fringe on top of the hem side, then I'll place my trimming on top. Like I said, you can use bias, you can use your lining, you can use satin. Like that video I showed you, the person used satin to do it. Okay, I'm showing you step by step because I found out that most of these big tutors on YouTube, they won't show you this step. They will only tell you, okay, the only thing remaining is to go and fix my fringe. Then they'll fix it, they'll wear the clothes, and you keep commenting it's very fine, you tried, thank you. Then you go ahead to go and do your own day. You sew on top of the fringe, and you keep spoiling your fringe, because when you sew on top of that fringe, you keep spoiling it. Let me tell you, keep spoiling it. But now I'm a small YouTuber. Oh, I'm showing the step. Oh, you will not like my video now. You will not even comment. You will not even subscribe. You will learn from me. Then you go to them and comment and like and subscribe to their page. But no wahala sha. This thing is very easy. Just follow this step. Like, I'm done with the first stitching. I'm going around again to run another stitch. Okay, the first one I sewed on one edge, then this second one I'm sewing on the second edge. You can see what I'm doing. It's very easy. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.